going to install Sharkeisha. I got it from Amazon, and I'm going to put the link in the bio. Let's get into the video. So first, you need to get your edges all the way back because you're going to end up bald head if you don't. So, I'm bald headed now. So, we're going to use Got To Be. Everybody use it. I got these stocking caps from Amazon. I'll put them in the link in the bio too. But it came with, I think, 24 for $7. What a clutch. So put your cap on. I suggest you get a lighter one that's lighter than you so you can make it your color with your makeup. So next, people use the gel, but I'm just gonna use Got To Be. So spray around your hairline and your hairline only. Don't like try to go on your forehead. So stay close to the hairline. Cut out your ears. Over it again if you have to. You need to make sure it's really dry because that thing will lift, okay? Okay, once it's dry, you can cut the lace off. A little of the Got To Be gel because, I don't know, I'm scared right here. It's my first time doing this, so, you know, I'm very cautious. Everything gotta be perfect with me. If you know me, if it's not one, I'm gonna take it off. So we're gonna put a little gel down so it can stay, and we're gonna go over with the blow dry again. So once you finish drying, you begin to cut. We're gonna try these little scissors because the big scissors is not working with me. And this mirror doesn't give me justice either. I can't really see. Get as close as you can, because if you leave it like this, it'll show in your wig. And who wants an ugly wig, especially for the first time? I don't want it super close to my natural hairline, so I'm just gonna cut a little more, and then I'm gonna go with the Got To Be and blow dry it down again. Okay, we all see the thing on my big old butterfly lashes. Leave it alone. We all see it. I didn't notice until now. And if you're gonna go over it again, do piece by piece. Don't spray the whole thing, and it's not gonna turn out well. I just learned that. I really look bald. Okay. These lashes hanging off a good light. You should also use the eyebrow razor. Only $1. Well, I mean, they're $1. But you can get a pack for 3 for like $2.99, so $3. Don't cut yourself. I was watching this video of this girl. She said she cut herself. So imagine having a cut and you trying to put a lace over it. We're gonna clean over it with alcohol. That's why it looks very tacky. But we're gonna clean over it. Just make sure you get everything. If you can pick it up, cut it. If you can't, leave it. But if you can pick it up, cut it. This step isn't super mandatory, but if you do this, I request you use cuticle scissors instead of the eyebrow razor. It's way more safer and it's easier to use. And when you use the alcohol, make sure it's super clean. It's easier to install your lace on a clean surface. I got this from the beauty supply. It was like $5. So I just got it. Now you clip to the back. There's some on the sides. But I mean, I don't know how to do all that. So I'm just gonna clip it. Once you place Sharkeisha, I'm just kidding. Once you place the wig, just scoot it back, you know, it'll stay. Just make sure it stays. Okay, I don't know the name of this glue. We're gonna say Kalon. I got it on Amazon. I got it last minute because I ordered Ghost Bond, but it didn't come in time. So this is my last option, and it worked fine. I don't care. It's freaking glue. It worked nice for me. And yeah, I did 2 coats, and I let it dry completely. When you let it blow dry, make sure the glue is completely clear before you put another coat. Not gonna lie, I was kind of scared. I wanted to cut into 3 separate sections, how I seen in other videos, but I feel like I could have did it without it, and I did pretty good. But the main focus is to really make sure you can see, because if you can't see, you might put it to where the cap is showing, or it just doesn't look right. So make sure you can see good enough to make it perfect to your desire. Before you put the scarf on, brush through your edges with the rat tail comb, and it will give it just the perfect effect. And once you put your scarf on, wrap it really tight, and that would just make everything come down together. And I don't mind my little dumb 20, but 20 minutes is how long you should leave it on, 10 to 20 minutes. When cutting the ears off, make sure you get everything so it can be comfortable on your ear, because that will hurt just having it sit on top of your ear and it's not really cut correctly. Now we're gonna cut around the waves. I mean, I feel like this side is bad. I mean, it's my first time. Okay. My edges actually look like that in the front because I over bleached my knots, but it wasn't that bad once I began plucking again. And this is where I messed up. I have nails. Why am I trying to pick up this little lace? This is why I request cuticle scissors. They just make everything easier. But I made it work. It took me a little time, but it was kind of hard because I couldn't reach certain spaces. Or the razor, make sure you go in a zigzag motion, or like not a straight across the lace, okay? Because that doesn't look right. Like, yeah, make it look crazy. Not crazy, but not too straight across. And plucking your wig before installing it just saves everything. And while you're doing it too is better. But make sure you pluck your wig before you put it on your head, because it's going to look like a wig and not like natural hair. I was really debating whether to do a middle part or side part. I'm really a middle part girl, but we did a side part today. So, giving scalp kind of, sort of. Okay, I see you. But let me give you a heads up. When you're cutting your edges, the more you cut, the more natural your lace will look. And I felt like I didn't cut enough. That's why my edges were so big. It looks better when you cut more. So if you do this, cut more edges. Don't be scared. You can swoop it out, or you can add more. Maybe it was just a bad day for this mousse, but this mousse was trash. It was watery. Like, it looked all good in the camera, but no, it was trash. That's why I didn't show it, but I don't know how to really explain edges. Just swoop until you like. That's the moral of the story. And when doing your edges, make sure you cut them shorter than I did. That's big edge. We need a little edge, okay? At this point, I was trying to get them edges to slick down, but the wax stick really helped. So if you're having trouble, try the wax stick or try mousse. And here's the sad thing. It's okay, it looks nice now, but I wasn't done. My phone died and I wasn't able to record my finished touch. I had a lot more to do. I had to fix the sides. I don't know, it just wasn't there yet. But then I couldn't record the rest because my phone died. So I'm just going to put a video of me giving a lace wear, okay? The front step be having the best fighting. I don't care. But thank you for watching the entire video. Like and subscribe and follow me on all socials.